Hi guys, Lukman here. So welcome to my channel, and today I am going to unbox my used iPhone 10 that I mentioned previously in my introduction video. So this is my first time unboxing uh, with a knife. So I am going to do this sloppily. When I said sloppily, I mean really sloppy. So previously I said I have to return the iPhone 10 to the seller back because I washed it. So bear with me. Oh my god, this is so hard. Okay, so another layer. Okay, so hopefully this time it's working. So I have sent this for 2 times already to the seller. So I have never used it yet. Luckily I have my iPhone 12 Pro Max, so I didn't miss this much. Okay, so in the box there's a cable, there's the power adapter, there's the user manual, and then let's put it away. Just put it out. Okay, so fingers crossed that it will work. Hopefully. Hopefully. Seems okay for now. Okay, so oh man, I love this form factor. Okay, looks like it's powered okay for now. English, Malaysia, set up manually, continue. Oh, there's a hotspot. Wait, let me put the password. So I guess so far looks good. Let me inspect the screen first real quick. Oh my god, this looks so nice. Like a new one. I might keep this for myself instead of selling this. I should dual with iPhone 10 and iPhone 12 Pro Max. Face ID, I think. Okay, now I remember. I think the Face ID is broken. Okay, Face ID is not available, so I should sell this. Or maybe I should use this without a passcode. Let me key in the passcode. Another one. Okay, no Face ID. So the Face ID is broken because of the water, but then the screen looks good. There's a screen protector already applied, and then the back of it looks fine. Doesn't look like it is used. So restore from iCloud backup. Let me try this for the first time. I should put my Apple ID here. Okay, terms and conditions. But my wife probably made me sell this. Looks like new. Should I show my wife? She's currently doing some planting. Okay. There she is. Okay. Choose backup. Restore from Mac. Okay, no backup. Set up as new iPhone. Why? Why is it asking me for this? For this thing again? May take a few minutes again. Okay, I can show this. It's just ... What is this? Another one? Agree? Agree? Another one? Why so many? Improve series, share audio recording, screen time, analytics, light mode first and the standard. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. Okay. Haha. Everything looks good. So now what should I test? I think for the first thing I need to test the brightness, because they said they changed the LCD, So excuse the noise. I'm recording this outside because I just received the item and I want to unbox it right away. Where's the brightness? So it goes kind of dim and then it goes really bright. I think this is good. This is like legit LCD they replaced me. It's just that the Face ID is not working. That's too bad though. But then let me try the unlock. Okay, no Face ID. Put that in. Okay, so maybe we should turn off the security. Just use this as a backup phone. Second phone. This is nice. I like this. Okay, oh okay, one more thing to check. The battery health. Where's the battery? It's at 100%. 100, y'all, 100. So, peak performance, optimize. This is good. Let's test the camera. Okay, allow while using. Everything looks really nice for a used phone. Video recording. Okay, then the front facing. Okay, looks good. Looks good. Okay, all in all, I think I am really satisfied with this. Can you see my iPhone 12 Pro Max recording me? Okay, so I guess that's all for now. So see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.